Hi there! In this tutorial video, I will show you all the features of the Intercom integration and how to set it up. First, I will show you how to set up the integration. Go to the Manage Integration section in Yodel and click on the plus sign next to Intercom. Then, log in to your Intercom account. Click on Sign In. You will then be asked to authorize Yodel to access your information from Intercom. Click on Authorize Access. The Intercom integration has been set up, and you should already see your Intercom contacts in Yodel as well. I will now show you the features of the Intercom integration. Yodel will automatically sync all your contact information from Intercom and have all your contacts show up in Yodel. In the Manage Contacts section of Yodel, you will also see the Intercom profile URL. You're also able to access the Intercom profile URL during an active call. Yodel will also log all your call activity within Intercom. Call activity with an Intercom contact is saved in the contacts profile under Events. There you will see all call activity for outbound and inbound calls. If you have the call recording feature activated in your Yodel number settings, then you will also see the call recording URL in Intercom. This is also found under Events. You're also able to send and receive text messages via Intercom. First, I will show you how to send an outbound text message. You can find the Intercom text messaging feature in Conversations. Open a conversation, and you should already see the Yodel I/O phone system on the right hand side. Here, you can send a text message to the contact that you currently have an open conversation with. Choose the phone number from which you want to send the SMS from and type in your message in the field below. Then, click on Send Message and wait a few seconds. You should see the sent text message in your conversation as outbound message. The outbound message is displayed as an Intercom note since we do not want to send an email to the client. You are only able to send text messages through the Yodel I/O phone system window on the right hand side. Sending a reply will not send any text messages. Next up, I will show you how incoming text messages work. An inbound text message will create a new conversation if there isn't already an open one with the contact. You will see the SMS as inbound message. When someone sends you a text message and there is no contact created for the number, then Yodel will automatically create a new contact and the number will be displayed as the name of the contact. When someone sends you an SMS and there is an existing contact with this number, then it will show you the name of the contact. You can also see inbound and outbound text message conversations when looking at the contact's profile. You will be able to see the SMS conversation under their messages and conversations. However, to send an SMS, you will always have to go to the conversation link, as Yodel is only able to send text messages from there. Thank you for watching and happy yodeling.